Welcome to Infigyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we have another very interesting and challenging question from AIME 2026. We have 20th root of x raised to the power log x with base 2026 equal to 26x, given that product of all positive real x equal to p. Then we have to find number of positive integer divisors of p. So let's get started. We have to find p first, product of all positive real number x, or product of roots of the equation. So we are going to take power 20 both sides, as we have 20th root in the LHS. So we can cancel 20th root with power 20 in left hand side. We will write our equation x raised to the power log x with base 2026 equal to 26x raised to the power 20. Now we have base, we have powers on both the sides. So let us take log both sides. I will write log here. So we have to write log in RHS. Now I will use one log property, log a power b equal to b log a. So we can take this exponent 20 as a multiplier. We can take this exponent log x with base 2026 as a multiplier. We will get equation log x with base 2026 times log x equal to 20 log 26x. Again, we can use one log property which says log AB can be written as log A plus log B. So we can write in RHS 20 times log 26 plus log x. So I will write equation log x with base 2026 times log x in LHS, and in RHS we will be writing 20. In the bracket we will write log 26 plus log x. Now we will write log x with base 2026 times log x. This will be equal to 20 log 26 plus 20 log x. Now we have log x on both the sides. I will divide both sides by log x, as log x cannot be equal to 0. So I will write here divided by log x, and log x cannot be equal to 0. Now we will cancel log x from the LHS numerator. So we can write our equation log of x with base 2026 will be equal to 20 log 26 divided by log x plus 20. Now we will write another property from log a with base b. We can write this will be equal to log a with base 10 over log b with base 10. So we can write log x over log 2026 equal to 20 log 26 over log x plus 20. Let's write here log x over log 2026 equal to 20 times log 26 over log x plus 20. Now we are going to assume substitution. Let us say log x equal to y. X will be always positive for real numbers, so y must be positive. Now we will write our equation y over log 2026 will be equal to 20 log 26 over y plus 20. Now we are going to multiply our equation by our denominators product, y times log 2026. So let me write here, I will multiply our equation both sides by y log 2026. So we will be getting our equation log 2026 from the denominator will be over. We will get y square in the left hand side, which will be equal to 20 times log 26 times log 2026, and then we'll write plus 20 times y log 2026. Now this is one quadratic equation in y. Let's write all the terms to one side. Y square minus 20y log 2026 minus 20 log 26 times log 2026 equal to 0. Equation is quadratic. We will find y1 plus y2 sum of roots, which will be equal to minus coefficient of y over leading coefficient. So we'll be getting 20 log 2026, the sum of roots. So I will write here itself y1 plus y2. This will be equal to 20 log 2026. Remember, our substitution is log x equal to y, and y1 plus y2 is 20 log 2026. So let me write here y1 plus y2 equal to 20 log 2026, and our substitution was log x equal to y. So if I will find x1, so I can write from this equation itself, x1 will be 10 raised to the power y1, and if I will find x2, then x2 will be 10 raised to the power y2, as we have two roots of quadratic equation which is in y or which is in x also. Now I will find x1 times x2, which is nothing but our product of roots, will be equal to 10 power y1 times 10 power y2. By using exponent law, we can write 10 power y1 plus y2. Now we have y1 plus y2 20 log 2026. So I can write this will be equal to 10 power 20 log 2026. Now I will write one exponent law which says a power b times c can be written as a power c, and then we'll put whole power b. So I can write p equal to x1 times x2 equal to 10 raised to the power log 2026 whole power 20. This is our p, product of roots x1 times x2. I will write here p equal to 10 raised to the power log 2026 whole power 20. Now we know that e raised to the power ln x, this is equal to x. In base 10, if we want to write, then 10 raised to the power log x, this will be equal to x. So here we can write 10 raised to the power log 2026 will be 2026. So P will be equal to 2026 whole power 20. Now we have to factorize 2026. In primes, we will write 1013 times 2 whole power 20, which we can write equal to 1013 whole power 20 times 2 whole power 20. Now for this, if we want to find number of divisors, I will write total number of divisors then this will be equal to the exponent of first base prime number 1013. So we will increase that power by 1. We will write either 20 plus 1 for multiplier or factor 1013, and for factor 2 we will write here exponent plus 1. So here exponents are 20 and 20. So we have to increase by 1. Will be equal to 21 times 21, which will be equal to 441. So there would be 441 total number of divisors for the product P. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.